So welcome to another module of digital marketing, and today we are going to start something which is very exciting and which we love on our daily basis. So you know what? Let's assume it like whenever you get some queries, okay, what you do basically, you go to Google, okay, and you search something. Let us take an example. You want to know about what is digital marketing. So what you will do? You will go and search these queries on Google. Where? Google. But Google is the only place where you search. So there might be some other places like Yahoo, okay, which you might have used. Okay, you might have used Safari, you might have used YouTube. Okay, few companies use DuckDuckGo. Now, what are these things? Google, Yahoo, okay, Mozilla, Safari, YouTube. What are these? These are what search engines. Okay, so YouTube is one of the biggest search engines. The meaning of search engine means ki like whenever you get a queries, you enter the query here, and after that you will get a solution of those queries. So our today's next few days, okay, we are going to talk about the search engine and how it plays an important role in website, how it plays an important role for any brand. So Google is search engine, but let us take an example. I have entered the query as what is digital marketing, and the moment I entered, we are in a new page. Okay, now this is totally a new page. Earlier we are at this page. Let me just show you. Earlier we are at this page. So when we are at this page, it is called search engine. But once we enter the queries, we are trying to be on a different page. Just look at this page. Now this page is called basically SERP, search engine result page. So SERP is the place where users get desired answer whatever they have asked for. So this is very familiar place for you, and it is one of the most loved place because whenever you get a queries, what you do, you enter the queries here, and then you will get so many answers. But right now we are going to learn the same aspects as a digital marketer perspective. We might have used Google search engine on the basis of user perspective, but this time it's totally on the basis of digital marketer, how it plays an important role in building a brand. So talking about the next thing is, now in search engine, basically, whenever you search a queries, let us take one more example. I want to search for stock market course. Okay. Before we introduce the term, like what we are going to discuss, I just want you to familiar on this platform. So I searched here stock market course. Just look at the thing on SERP. We always get three type of results. One is organic. I will let you know what is the meaning of organic. One is inorganic, and one is local. Organic means free result. Like you are not paying any single rupees to be on the top of Google. Inorganic means paid result. You are paying some X amount to be on the top of the Google. And local is something where you are on a map perspective. Whenever you entered any query, you always get organic, inorganic, or local result. Let me show you an example. See here. While talking about stock market course, how we know it is an inorganic, just look at here, AD. AD stand for what? Advertisement. Advertisement is done on the basis of paid basis. So these results are inorganic result. Inorganic means paid result, which means this website like iForex, what they did, they spent some amount on creating Google ad, which we are going to learn later. And this is the reason they are on the first position. Okay. Bharati share market. They spend some money in creating advertisement, and this is the reason they are on a second position. So these are inorganic result. The second type of result that we see is organic. Now just look at here, this website, nseindia.com. Is there any ad here? No, which means this website is on the top position because of organic, which means because of free effort. They haven't spent any single amount of money to be on the first page. Similar here, smart money. Is there any ad here? No, no. So this website is also on a top position because of organic. They're not spending any single of amount on this articles to be on a top position. So this is the second type of result you always see. Now talking about the third type, this is what I was discussing. Most of the time you see some results in a map form. See here. These are local. Okay. Right now, if I am at near Madhya Pradesh, Ujjain, so you'll see the results from here itself only. If you search stock market course in your locality, you will see some more results based upon your locality. So this is the third type of result we see here. So now our point of discussion for next few days will be like on SERP, we already discussed the three type of result we are going to have, but our point of discussion is organic. We are going to learn. We are going to learn like how we can make any website on the top position. Okay. For example, if someone search a query, now how this website should come on the top position, or what are the different ways to bring out any website in the first page of ranking, but without spending any single money. So all we are going to talk about is what? Free. So let us introduce the topic, and then we have to talk about like, yes. So we are talking about search engine optimization. Okay. So SEO is not a topic. First of all, you have to make understand one thing. It is just not a topic. It's a designation you guys are going to work as. Okay. You might work as a SEO executive personal, SEO executive specialist, SEO executive intern. Okay. So what does this mean? Entire few hours, whatever we will learn under SEO, all will be practical and it will be prepared for your future upcoming roles. So let us talk about what is basically SEO. So let me give a scenario. Okay. Let me just give a sample scenario you might have understood. Okay. Let us take an example. Ki suppose okay, let me take one example. Okay, so you have to guess it like what it is. Okay. Yes, it's a ladder. Okay, let us assume a scenario. This is you. Okay, you are on the lower end of ladder. Okay, you can consider it's a ladder or staircase. Anything you can consider. Now you have to be on the top. Okay, you have to be on the top of the building. Now what you're going to do? Are you going to climb from here to here directly in one step? So you are going to say like no, it's not possible. The other way is what? Stepwise step. Okay. So step by step process you will take to be on the top of the ladder. But assume it, will it take less time or more time to be on the top of the Google if you're going step by step process, step by step process? So you are going to say like yes, definitely it will take some time. Okay, it's a time taking process. Next, assume it's a ladder or staircase. Will you be paying any single rupees to be on the, I mean, if you have to climb on the ladder, any single amount you are going to spend if you want to climb the ladder? No. But as compared to lift, you have to spend some money. Electricity bill, installation bill, so many things. But using staircase or ladder in any building, you are not paying any rupees. So we are considering like it is a free. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to replace yourself with the website you have created. Things will remain same. Okay. Now your website is in a lower position. For example, here. And where you want your website on a top position. But making a website from lower position to top position is a step by step process. Also, it takes time, but we are doing in a free. So this is how SEO works. So what is an SEO basically? SEO is an organic process. Okay. Suppose it's an organic process. Organic means what? It's a free process. Okay. That helps to increase website visitors. So what happened? Ask yourself, if I'm searching here stock market course and if your website is in a top position, assume it this is organic result. We are talking about organic result. If your website is in a top position, don't you think if 100 people are searching this thing, out of 100, 20, 30 will click here, 20, 30 will click here, but hardly people will click on a website where which is on a 10th page. No one visit on a 10th page. Do you ever visit on a 10th page, 8th page, 7th page? No. So if no one is visiting on that page, then what will happen? You will see the visitors on a website is less. But if your website is in a top position, what you will feel? So many visitors are coming to your website. So many visitors are coming to your website. And why we want our website on a top position? Because we want more visitors. Okay. We want more visitors, and this is the reason what SEO do basically. So it's an organic process that helps to increase what? Website visitors. Now, what does this mean basically? Sometimes we call it's a traffic. Okay, visitors are called traffic, but it's a time taking process. So if someone will ask you, can you make my website on a top position in 1 day? No. 2 days? No. It takes some time. 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and sometimes 1 year also. So SEO is a free process that helps to increase our website visitors, but at the same time, it is a time taking process. But remember, we are doing it for free. So what our goal in SEO is, we have to make a website on a top position. This is our goal. Okay. So now what happened basically? Just look at here. When our agenda is like to join a company. Okay. Suppose you are going to, our agenda of discussion in next few hours is same only. If that company is getting less visitors or less traffic on the website, after you join the company, okay, after you join the company, what is being expected from your end is you should have more visitors. Okay, you should have more visitors coming to your website. Okay, now this is something expected from your end if you are going to join as a SEO post, SEO executive. And what is expectation from our end is like this is something we are going to teach you. What are the practical ways where you can explore the entire SEO process. Okay.